Yes, sir. I think I like it. Remember that? Ren and Stimpy, Mr. Horse? There's only been one episode where he likes something, and mostly he goes, "No, sir, I don't like it." Well, that was with the old tires. These tires, yes, sir. I think I like it. I think I like it. These things are like slicks. No, they're not. Kind of like those tires are. And that one. Yeah. Bridgestones. 260, man. The other ones are 320. Way different. Just even driving down the road. Look at that shit. The freaking paint almost wore off. Oh, God. Just driving here for like 3 miles. Yeah, they did, man. Wow, that's grumps. That wore off pretty quick. Yeah, huge difference. Night and day, man. Handling, everything. I'm making turns. Stick. Goes down the road straighter. No more road noise. Man, those Kumos. I really don't like Kumo tires. I did buy these tires accidentally. Kind of. I was looking at tires. I put them in the cart with eBay, and the code with $100 off came to like $540. And I was thinking they're going to charge me tax, so I clicked something. Actually, it was like late at night. I went to like a next page and it was like, "You just bought these." I was like, I guess I didn't get charged tax. And then I like wrote there immediately, like, "Can you just like cancel this?" And then I saw a listing. The deal ended on the 19th, which is come and gone. And I said, "Nah, just keep it. Just keep it. We gotta force ourselves to do something." These were installed at Costco. I had a $16.40 credit from the Costco card for buying a couple of batteries, tires, and anything else I got. Which I don't really spend that much at Costco. Some people, they get these checks of hundreds of dollars because they spent their life savings at Costco. I probably spent, I don't know, maybe like $700 in the last year, like batteries, tires, and gas. So the Costco experience was actually okay. They kind of gave me a hard time at first as a wise ass kid going, "Oh, these don't fit the car." I go, "Yeah, they do. What the fuck are you talking about?" He could have just been joking. Then I actually wrote it up. Oh, rims have small scratches and stuff. They do. You see, this was screwed up from the last installer. They really like effed up the wheels. But I don't care. I'm not playing around with that. That's just wheels. Really, this is sacrificial nothing. It's just old clear coat. I don't care anymore. But I think they did lift it funny. They put like the lift over here. I don't even think they knew this car had a frame. They put the lift over here, and it was like kind of on the pinch weld and like kind of on the frame in the front and the back. At first I thought they had it right on the pinch weld, but they didn't. Actually, someone did this on this car one time, and they screwed up the back in that back corner. Fell off a lift maybe, I don't know. There was a huge freaking gaping dent over there. Yanked it out with pliers. It wasn't pushed in too bad. Yeah, people don't realize there's a frame under there. It's not a unibody car. Cars don't come with frames. Well, they used to. So that was kind of funny. You know, the same thing. They took their sweet time. They kind of, and then, I don't know, they got to say all this shit. "Oh, look the car. I hate that shit. I want like a 1950s car, but honestly, if anyone even says anything about it, and I'm not at a car show, I'm like, come on, buddy, I got things to do, you know? Like, I like to talk cars and everything. Then you get these people that just want to talk cars. I don't want to talk cars. It's old shit. I had it forever. And that's it. Like, people ask me sometimes, what's in my truck? They think it's some hot rod thing. It's because it's loud and it runs like shit. No, I'm like 305. What? That's it? What's a 305? They don't even know what the engine is. They just ask a question. It's like the people with old car. They'll say like, "Oh, what year is that? Oh, it must be worth a lot of money." When you have an old car. I'm like, not really. No? I don't know. I guess people get excited just to talk. You can't, I don't know, I can't knock them for that, I guess. But it's kind of annoying. I don't do it to people. I just play dumb. I know what it is. And yeah. You can kind of tell if someone has something and they keep nice, they like it. That's what kind of bugs me. You bring stuff into a shop and they trash it. And you see, if you had an old vehicle for that long, you probably like that vehicle. So you might want to be a little more careful with it. That's the same like when someone brings a car into any shop. It could be a late model, but it's like super clean and like shiny. You know that they care about the vehicle, so be careful. Then you get the rat trap cars and you say, you know what, they don't give a rat's ass. You can leave a grease print on the carpet, they won't even notice it. They changed the spare tire on the truck to one of the old Michelins I had. They kind of gave me a little issue about that until I explained it. They have to like explain it to these people. But yeah, that's the old Michelin, which is kind of cracked up, but way better than the Uniroyal that was on there. That's 2011 tire. The Uniroyal was 1994. Still on the steel wheel. Yeah, they mounted and balanced that. Did that for free. They told me it was gonna be $15 for that. So awesome. But check out the sidewall on these. You see my other video. These things are soft as a bastard, and they're gonna be sold. There we go. Gotta get a picture. Now we got a Michelin spare tire, which is just flipping awesome. Oh, that's a girl driving around in that car with the boom, boom, boom. Figures. I think whatever they used to clean the wheels, they fucked up. I don't know. I'm not bitching about it though. These clear coats is not the best. They put some cleaner shit on and it ruined the clear coat. They sprayed it. Look at it. They hosed it. It's nice of them. Whatever. I don't care. Again, I'm not like a cleanophobe or whatever. Looking at this paint, what they did, I think, they just re-cleared over the old paint. See all the checking underneath there. Terrible. Everywhere you rely on someone these days, it's just crap. I'm not even getting upset about it. This really is your decision. If you want to make a smart decision, do it yourself. And that would have been a smart decision. Yeah, they got all this. They must have put some sort of cleaner shit. I actually asked them to put the weights over there too, but they put some cleaner shit on here, and that's what effed up the wheel. The other ones aren't like that. I guess they did one, and they saw it happening. They go, oh shit, let's not tell him we fucked up his wheel. Whatever. Again, these things have to be stripped anyway and redone. They're not perfect. If I can make it a little better, that's fine. Because you know what, things are just going to get destroyed here anyway. So I'm not too concerned about it anymore. Plus it's another challenge for me to fix someone else's F up, what I do best in life. It might come out. Alright, wet sand in the wheel, now we gotta go polish it. It's just a clear coat. And that's silver paint. Silver paint. So when you paint these things, you first have to do silver all around here, and then, you know, get the edges. It's some detail work. Best is you had your own tire machine. Take basically, I don't know, take it in the house with you at night maybe. Mask it off nice. Then you can paint it, wet sand it, whatever you want to do. Buff it. Do whatever you want. This is real entertaining too. Not only is a cell phone, and we know we're getting poison, which we knew that years ago, or it's another thing we have to take care of, like tires and just move. You know, priorities. Got to get this shit straight. Right when I get up over here, polishing my wheel, that Costco kind of stained. It's still stained, but it's better. Again, I got to re-clear it anyway. It's not perfect. I'm not gonna. It's not a matter of bitching about it, because it is old clear coat. Right when I get up, there's people. I just stare at you. Right by people right over that fence where that bush is. Lovely way to live. Hear 'em?